Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Oh,
Good
I see
evening,
a
ma'am.
new
Good evening,
one.
ma'am. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, good
Good
evening,
evening, ma'am.
everyone.
Good evening.
Welcome to the session. So, yep, the last homework was not a mandatory homework, but give me a small update that did
Ma'am,
you
I
try
didn't
it? Did
even
you try logging in?
Yes, ma'am. I did. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't
Excuse
even
me, ma'am.
got time to do it.
Ma'am, I did it in
Okay,
my rough book. Ma'am. Ma'am,
okay,
I did my
okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. One by one, raise your hand like Pat Sharma is doing. Pat, let's go.
मैम हमारा जो होमवर्क है मैम हमारे को मतलब कैसे भेजना है
नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए आपका होमवर्क सो आई डोंट हैव टू चेक योर होमवर्क यू हैव टू चेक इट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट लाइक फ्रॉम द सेम पोर्टल पर ओके आपको खुद ही चेक करना होगा वहां पे यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स टू हेल्प यू इन दैट दे विल चेक इट एंड टेल
Ma'am,
यू
Kashmia cannot hear you. In the chat it's written.
okay I'll do that I'll check she'll have to rejoin probably one second can you please try to rejoin
Good evening, ma'am.
Madhulika, good evening. How are you? If I'm not wrong, are you the same Madhulika I know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just heard your good evening and that reminded
Good
me of
evening,
you
ma'am.
because I can't see you. Turn on your video,
Good evening,
Madhulika.
ma'am.
How are you?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, I was named wrong. Madhulika Manoharan is your sister.
Oh, really? What's your name?
Aradhya Manoharan, ma'am.
Okay, Aarti, can you please rename yourself? Where are you
Yes,
from, Aarti?
ma'am. I'm from Madurai, but I live in Dubai.
Okay, thank you. Manvi, go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I didn't got time to do the homework.
Good evening,
I
ma'am.
never done it.
Okay. That's not fixed. The time is dependent on you, so you can decide whenever you want to do the homework, but you have to do it before the class. It's fine. The first homework was not a mandatory homework. I said that last class also, but keep that in mind for the second class onwards. Okay. Shrihan, say good evening, Riyansh. I heard you. I'll come to you 1 second.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Say Shrihan. Shrihan, you're raising hand.
Nothing, ma'am. I was just
Oh,
trying to tell I'm done the homework.
oh, good then. Jia, what about you?
Ma'am, I did it in my rough book and I had a doubt.
Okay. We'll discuss that. You can send that to me in the chat box, the question number. Okay. If those are the topics that you have done, we'll do it.
It's like in
And by the
drawing.
way, yes, sorry, 1 second, someone was speaking. So this is the way how we conduct the classes as well, everyone. So every day in the first 5 to 10 minutes, we'll be discussing the doubts of yours. So be ready with the question numbers which you were not able to do or which you could not understand even after looking at the answer key. So like ask your parents to check your answers or you can yourself check your answers. And when you see the answer key and still don't understand how this answer came, then keep the question number ready like ma'am question number 5 7 and 10 is my doubt so that when you post it in the chat box immediately after coming then it will be easier for me to take the doubts together for everyone. Okay, so we'll do it today. We are not doing it full fledgedly because as I said homework was not mandatory, but we'll do it from the next class onwards. Yeah, Jia, you were saying something.
Ma'am, but we didn't learn the topic, so it doesn't matter.
Then you can wait for the next class, Jia, right? Okay, perfect. Aditi, say thank you. Aditi.
Ma'am, I have no doubt, but I did the homework.
Oh, good. Thank you. Sanya?
Ma'am, we only need to I have done homework.
Bhumek, everyone is raising hand. Can you observe that? Okay, Sanya, say. Sorry.
Ma'am, we only need to do the homework after completing the chapter.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I did the homework.
Naman, raise your hand and speak. Okay, Tanisha, go ahead.
Good evening, ma'am. I did the homework.
Good evening. Okay, thank you. All right, Aradhya, go ahead once more.
Excuse me, ma'am. Actually, for when I was doing the homework, some of the questions we haven't learned. Because
Exactly, yes.
includes
Yeah,
a
that
lot of.
we'll cover today, Aradhya. We'll be
Yes, ma'am.
covering that today.
Yes, ma'am. It also has a lot of letters in math, and I think we haven't learned that. It also has like a lot of questions when you said there were only 12.
No worries. You can keep that aside. And today we'll be learning those topics. So after that, when you attempt the homework, that will be better for you. Okay. And then if you still have a doubt, then the next class we'll do the doubt. We'll take the doubts as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya, I just heard you. What happened?
Ma'am, I did the homework. I did sect 1 of it.
Oh, everyone is stuck or it's me? Oh, no. Reanshi, say.
Ma'am, are we also going to do the chocolate problems today?
Yes. Yes, Reanshi, we'll do the chocolate problems as well today. Let's go, Shivani. Shivani, is this your first class?
Came yesterday too.
What?
I came yesterday too, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Then your camera was on. I sort of can't remember your face. But anyways, yeah, say Shivani.
Ma'am, I couldn't get the question number 7 and question number 8.
Okay. Are they related to the same face value things we did, or is it related to something else we didn't cover yesterday?
Seven is for the place value and face value, and the other 8th question is for rounding numbers.
So rounding numbers we'll do today, and face value, place value question one question we can cover. Okay, seventh one. I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Anvita, last one for the doubt, and then we'll get started, everyone. Get your notebooks ready. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am, I didn't do the homework. I just read it, ma'am.
That's okay. All right. But tomorrow, I mean, day after tomorrow, not even day after tomorrow, on Monday, you people have to be ready with the set one homework completely. Okay, no excuses. Okay, then I'm starting with my screen share now. So, everyone be ready. Mm-hmm.
You will explain the
Bhumik is again speaking without raising hand. Bhumik, that's not allowed in my class. This is the third time I'm reminding you. Fourth time you do it, you will find yourself in the waiting room. People not following the class rules are not welcome in the classroom. Say Bhumik. Oh no, it's Kashmir. Say Kashmir.
Ma'am, actually, I just joined because my system was not working. So, could you just tell me what were we discussing about?
Nothing. We were just going on a little bit discussion on the type of questions, how people did the homework and everything similar to that. Nothing new.
Okay, ma'am.
No new things were started. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right then. Yeah, be on time, everyone. Not to you. I can see Ibrahim and Nanika joining right now. So it's for you two guys. Be on time. Otherwise, you will miss out on the classroom questions. Okay. And for the ones who have still some doubt on where to get the
with me.
Manvik, mute yourself, raise your hand, and then speak. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, you will explain the expanded means place value and face value today.
Yes. Place value and face value will be explained today. Yeah. So
Okay, thank you.
welcome. So therefore, who had this doubt? I forgot. Someone asked me this doubt, right? 7 and 8. So that question we'll be doing together at the end, like once we'll complete all part one topics. Okay. Fine then, everyone. And yeah, everyone will be muted now. And you people have to pay attention. The moment you have any questions, you'll use the raise hand button. Raise hand button. Okay. Fine. Good, then let's get started. Here's your PPT. We have covered last class what is natural numbers, what is whole numbers, what is integers, what is successor, what is predecessor. At least these we covered. Okay. Now everyone will be using the chat box moving forward. Okay. Remember to use the chat box only moving forward. and I'll be asking specific questions to few people randomly. Okay. For example, I'll be starting this one with Sanika. Sanika, what are natural numbers? It starts with which number?
Ma'am, 1 to infinity.
1 to infinity. Very good, Sanika. Thank you so much. Then we will move down to Shrihan. No raising hand for answering questions. If you have a doubt, then raise your hand. Say, Bhumik, what's your doubt? No doubt. Okay. Shrihan, the next question is for you. The whole numbers include which other number apart from natural numbers?
0.
Thank you, Shrihan. Shravani, integers include what? Starts with what? Ends with what?
It also has negative numbers
Yes.
and starts with
Correct.
0.
Starts with negative infinity and goes up to
Plus infinity.
plus infinity. Thank you so much. Then we'll go to Gia. Wait a second. Gia, oh no. Gia, tell me what is successor of a number?
Just
Thanks, Mishika, for answering in the chat box. Others, you also can answer in the chat box if you want. Yeah, Gia, what is successor of a number?
Ma'am, 1 second. Yes. Ma'am, can you ask this question? Somebody she has a technical issue right now.
Oh, okay. No problem. Thank you for telling. Janvi, I'll move to you then. Gia will take some time. Janvi, you say.
Ma'am, the number after the particular number is called the successor.
Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you, others in the chat box as well. Arnav, rename yourself. No prefixes in your name. Aditi, Sanika, very what is place value? This is what we are going to discuss. Advika, you are late and no raising hand now. Yeah, Gia, I'll come back to you. Okay, say Gia. Now you can unmute. Yeah, I think I can hear your background, but I don't see you speaking. Yeah, say now. Click on unmute, Gia.
Now
Yeah,
my
I can hear.
issue is fine.
Very good. Thank you. I'll come back to you with the next question. So before that, I asked someone else, right? Manashri, did I ask you? Okay, fine. All right. All right then. Let's go to Tanisha. Tanisha, ready? Wait. Where is my unmute button? Yeah. Tanisha, let's go. What is place value of a number?
The place value is the number, it's on the place. Like in the number 5489, 8 is in the place of tens and is the place value is 80.
Thank you. That's absolutely right. Okay. So the next thing which we all have to focus on is face value, which is new. So place value depends on the position of the number, everyone, right? But listen to me carefully. Face value is here to make your task easy because face value has to do nothing but to just go with the value of the digit. See how easy it is? That means if someone asks you what is the place value of 2 in this number, then I'll ask Yash this question. Yash, what's the face value of 2?
The face value of 2,
Read the sentence at the top. The face value of a digit is?
a digit itself.
Exactly. So what will be the face value of 2?
2.
Exactly. Thank you. Okay. Next, I'll go and ask this question to Aradhya. Aradhya, 2 place value, not face. Place value in this number.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Place
place value
value.
of 2 in 230 is 200.
That's correct. Thank you. Arnav, do you have a doubt? Say, ask.
Ma'am, in
Hmm.
face value, the like there is 2 in 230.
Yeah.
So it will be only 2 or 200.
Only 2. Face value remains the same as the digit, but the place value gets multiplied with 10, 100, 1,000 like that. Okay? All right. Thank you. I'll move next and call Aditi. Aditi, can you answer the second question for me? Face value of 9.
Ma'am, the answer is 9.
Okay, thank you. Because the face value has to remain the same. But what if I ask this to Devashri? Devashri, if I change this face to place, then what will be the change in the answer? That will be a big number.
It will have 9 and 7 zeros at the end.
7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. I'll not trouble you by asking the exact number. Then we will move to Samriddhi. Samriddhi, the face value of 0 in this number is?
0.
Very good. But the interesting fact is, Gia, tell me if I change the face value to place value in this question, what will be the answer? Same or different?
It will be different.
What will be the different answer?
The answer would be just a minute. It would be lakh. But there
If
are
you multiply lakh with 0, it will still come as?
be 0.
Yes, that's why. So when they ask you the face and the place value comparison of 0, 0 is very powerful number. It gets multiplied with any number and turns it to 0, like itself. Okay? Fine, everyone is clear? Any doubts here? No? 3, 2, 1? Then I'll have some questions. Okay, let's go. 4 quick questions on face value, place value. But here you have to also do some operation on it. By operation, I mean some addition, some multiplication, some subtraction. So read the questions carefully, everyone. Okay? Okay, I'll give this question. Manvik, Parth, Reanshi, and Kashmia. These 4 people will definitely do the questions. Anyone can get any question. And I can ask a sudden question to some sudden people in the middle also. Like Shania, I'm not seeing answers coming from you. What happened? You're having trouble? Samriddhi Srivastav is answering, but the other Samriddhi is not answering. Why? Yeah, Samriddhi, sing. I was about to ask you only. Say. Don't give the answer of the question. Say, you have a doubt? What happened? You wanted to answer. That's why you raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'll come back to you. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Don't worry. I'll ask questions to everyone today. This is what I've promised myself. That's a big promise, I know, but I'll do that. Yes, Aditi, say.
Ma'am, can I write my answers in the chat box?
Yeah. Okay, no need to ask this to me, everyone. Chat box is yours and I'm reading everyone's answer also. So please feel free to type your answers in the chat box. Everyone is supposed to write it in the chat box, okay? I'll ask one by one. All right. Okay. I see answers from so many people. Gia, did you answer in the chat box? I don't see your answer. I also don't see the answer of... No, Janvi has answered. Hanifa, you have not answered. Riyansh, is this your first class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hi Riyansh. Where are you from?
I am from Parli, Vaishnav.
Oh,
District.
oh, very nice. Very nice. So, did you see the recording of the last class?
No, ma'am. I will see.
Okay, you see the recording this weekend before the next class on Monday, and
Yes.
then you will get the idea better. But we did a small recap. I think you were there at that time, right? So a small rule to share with you. As you saw, everyone is raising hand when they have a doubt, Riyansh. So please use the same raise hand button. So it pops up with a sound. So ma'am will not miss you. Okay.
Yes,
And for answers, please type it in the chat box, Riyansh. Okay. Done then. So the first question I'll go and give to Parth. Parth, let's go with you. First one. Sum of the place value of 2 and face value of 5. Say.
Ma'am, the face value of 2 in 3250 is 200. And
Correct.
plus face value of 5 is 5
Hmm.
is equal to, ma'am, 200 plus 5 is equal to 205.
Yes.
Is the answer.
Everyone got this? From here we got 200. From here we got 5 and we are asked to add them up. So therefore it gives you 205. Any doubts, anyone? No? Yeah, Shania, ask. 1 second, I'll come to you. Go ahead, Shania.
Ma'am, actually, when you were saying I'm not writing the answers, I was just typing them in.
Oh no, that's fine. That's okay. But your answers are matching with me, right? And others? Yeah. Okay. Then it's not a problem. Then I'm okay with it. Okay. Then fine. In that case, I'll go and start with the next question. So for the next question, Manvik, I'll come to you. 1 second. Where's Manvik? Where's Manvik? Here is Manvik. Manvik, only tell me this part.
Ma'am, face value of 7 and 7182 is 7.
That's correct. Thank you, Manvik. Kashmir, tell me the other part. Place value of 6 in this number.
Ma'am, 60.
Thank you. And then we will club this information with Hanifa. Hanifa, you tell me what to do next, the third step.
Ma'am, we have to add them and the answer will
Very
be
good.
67.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we move to Anvita. Anvita, you are raising your hand. Tell me what happened.
Explain them, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Anvita.
didn't you tell that the face value of the numbers is the same itself?
Yeah, so 7 is 7. See? But for place value of 6, we are keeping 6 multiplied with the tens place, Anvita.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Thank
Explain
you.
third answer.
You got it now, Anvita? All right. Riyanshi, what about you?
Ma'am, I just wanted to answer.
Oh, yeah. I remember I gave you that turn also. So we'll come to the third part. The third part is this. Place value of 2 in this number. Tell me this.
The place value of 2 in this number is 20.
Good job. And the next one I'll not ask you because you have to cover so many people, Riyanshi. Thank you. That's right. Send me a full answer in the chat box. If you have already done that, then relax. No raising hand to answer. Yeah. We will move next to Naman. Naman, face value of 1.
Ma'am, the face value of 1 is 1 only.
Okay, now the thing is difference, everyone. Focus. Hanish, I'll come to you. Hanish, first class today? No, no. You were there last class? Yeah. So, Hanish, look at this. So, Naman, you know what's the punishment of annotating without my permission? I'll make a very funny story on you. Hanish, listen. What is the meaning of difference? 1 minus 20 or 20 minus 1?
20 minus 1.
How do you know that?
Because you can't
We can subtract a smaller number and get a negative number. But see, everyone focus. They are not saying subtract 20 from 1. This is mathematics weds English, where mathematics marries English and they have a very nice combination. So you have to understand this, that whenever the question says subtract something from something, then the minuend and the subtrahend, one number is at the top, one number is at the bottom. But when they just write difference, please subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, that's the meaning of difference. So 20 minus 1 is 19. So 19 has to be the answer here. Is that okay? Bhumik, next question for you. Then Nanika, be ready. And the other part, Sharma, also be ready. Okay, wait. 2 hands are up. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'll come back to you. Say Jia, then I'll go to Manvik.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the third one.
So, Jia, look at this. Place value of 2 in this number is 20. You agree?
Yeah,
What's the face value here, Jia?
1,
So, 20 minus 1 is?
19.
So, that's the answer. They asked you for the difference.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, thank you. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, if it would have been minus 20, 1 minus 20, then we have to write minus 19 in that case.
Minus 19 in the answer. Correct. That's right. Okay, fine then. Let's go to question number 4. So, Bhumik, I unmuted you. And then here you go. Oh, sorry. Unmute again. Bhumik, can you unmute? What's happening? Should I unmute your other device? Okay, try now.
Um,
Yeah, I can hear you.
a face
Yeah.
value of 8 is 8, and the place value of 4 is 400.
Okay, don't solve it further. Rest of the answer in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Then we'll go to Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what's the next step to do?
Ma'am, then we have to multiply both numbers.
Very good. What's the product?
32,000.
32. Yes. 8 times 4 is 32, everyone. So 2 zeros additionally with that, which makes it 3,200.
3,200.
Thank you. That's absolutely right. Now you people have to understand one thing, that in these type of questions, you have to be very careful of the word written in the beginning. Product, sum, difference. Okay? Be ready with this. Any doubts, anyone over here? Should we move to the next topic then? Yeah. Oh, nice.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt. Just I was asking for the place values and face values that one you showed just right now.
This one. This
Yes.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
You will find it in the reading material also, Riyanshi.
Okay.
Okay? Same Anvik. Thank you, Riyanshi.
And why are we not allowed to raise our hand? Sorry, and mute our mics?
Because you people are coming in the middle of the class and that is taking more time. Okay? All right. Next topic is rounding up of numbers. So in rounding up of numbers, what is the purpose of rounding up of numbers? So the purpose of rounding up of numbers is to approximate the information or the data. What is the meaning of approximate? Suppose you are asked a value. Okay, no need to answer. Answer in the chat box. Approximate a value means someone asks you, how much is this pen for? So you say approximately 100 rupees. So it would be somewhere around 89 or something, but you rounded it off. So that's how approximation or rounding up works. Now, estimate. Thank you, Janvi, in the chat box. Estimate is the right word. Manvik, Bhumik, you have a doubt? Yep. Okay. Say Bhumik.
Ma'am, I chat to you, but the in the chat it is coming direct message.
Yeah, you're sending me the message directly. That's why direct message. Others cannot see your message. That's why. Okay.
I think the message.
No, I'm receiving your messages, Bhumik. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. So now Aditi gave an example. Very good. That if a bag is costing her 299 rupees, then she can round it and say it's approximately 300 rupees. That's right. But rounding up happens in different digits, everyone. Okay. What are the different ways of rounding the numbers? Way number 1 is nearest 100. Nearest 100 means the number should fall in the table of 100. Understand my way of doing it. 59. 59 falls between which two numbers in the table of 100? 100 and 0. 100 times 0, 0. 100 times 1, 1. 100 times 1, 100. So, which is more closer? 100 is more closer or 0 is more closer? 0 is 59 steps ahead and 100 is 41 steps ahead. So, which is closer? 100 is closer, right? So, we will say, ma'am, rounding up to 100. Similarly, 749. Listen to me carefully. Where should I put it? You tell me. 749 falls between 700 and 800 in the table of 100. So which one is closer? Chat box. Let me see your answers in the chat box. Send me the answers in the chat box, guys. Arnav first right answer, Sanika second, Hanish third, Samriddhi Srivastava fourth, Arnav Parihar. There are two Arnavs? No. So Arnav, I've already ranked you. Mishika fifth, Janvi sixth, Manashvi, that's not the full answer. Ayash 7th, Shrihan 8th, Parth Nono, Parth Sharma, Nono, Shavni 9th, Shivani 10th, Devashri 11th, Shanaya 12th, Advika, you typed it wrong, Hanifa 13th, Aditi 14th, if I have not taken your name already, Tanisha 15th, Arnav, stop spamming. This is like the 7th, 8th time you have typed your answer. Don't type it so many times, just once. Nanika, 18th, I think I just missed the count. Riyanshi, correct. Aradhya, correct. Manashri, correct. Vedant, hi, good evening. Welcome to the session. That's correct. Advika, correct. Naman, wrong. Bhumik, wrong. Parth, Sharma, correct. Samriddhi, correct. Riyansh, correct. Jia, correct. Anvita, correct. Phew, Manvik, not correct. Ibrahim, thank you for the example. Manashri, not correct because 750 does not come in the table of 100. Okay. The number has to be in the table of 100. Naman, not correct. Sanya, correct. Okay. Naman now correct. 700. So guys, 700 is the right answer because 49 steps close to this and 51 steps close to that. So of course, the closer one is this. And just for your information, if a number is exactly in the middle, then we always prefer it rounding up. That is making it 800. Say Advika. Okay, no doubt. Then Manashri.
At the first time I answered 700 and wrote it wrong. So I changed it to 750.
Oh, okay. No problem. Advika, say.
Ma'am, what if it's 750? Like exactly.
I just wrote it on the screen. 800.
Oh,
We round up. When something is exactly in the middle, we round up.
thank you.
Welcome. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt. If it was
Go ahead.
740, what would we have? What would we round it up
740 is
to?
again close to 700 because it's 40 steps away from here and 60 steps away from here. Okay. Is that clear, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't hear my rank.
First. Okay. Jia. Jia. You were raising hand, right?
Yeah, I was asking that why can't we do tens with tens, the
We
rounding?
can do with tens also. This is just an example of 100. The same thing you can do with tens also. So in the case of tens, what will happen? Wait, I'll change the color of my pen. 749 will come between 750 and 740 because these two numbers fall in the table of 10. So now 49 is very, very close to 50. So it will round up to 750. But this is for nearest tens, not hundreds. Okay?
ma'am.
Thank you. Bhumik, Manvik, Vedant, and Advika. Yeah, say Bhumik.
Would you explain rounding numbers?
Yeah, of course. So rounding
understand.
So rounding numbers is when you estimate or approximate the number based on the nearest value given. So when we say find something to the nearest 100, we check for the closest number to the given number in the table of 100, Bhumi. Like 749 lies closest to 800 or 700 in the table of 100. 700.
Like a 9 is a place rounding nearest of 10.
Yes,
Nine.
exactly. Just like that.
Or 749 around 750.
No, but see, you can't do it only 750 by yourself. This is nearest tens place. But if someone asks you, no, Bhumik, tell me 749 to the nearest 100, then nearest 100 will be 700. Okay? Because 49 is closest to 700. Clear?
Good answer would be 700.
Yeah, depends on what they are asking you. They are asking you nearest 10 or nearest 100. The question will change, Bhumik.
Like 86 around 800.
Yeah, 786 is close to 800. That is correct. Okay. Thank you. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, are you even checking my chat video?
Yeah.
Because I gave nine chat and you didn't respond on any of them.
I'm not responding, Manvik. I'm talking from that time. You are not the only one in the class. There are 35 more people. They are also answering in the chat box. I'm not responding to everyone's chat. Advika?
Ma'am, so in our school, we learned running off, and our teacher taught us way where
50. The middle way. Okay, yeah, you say.
she taught us this way that that example we take the number 74, and she taught us that 1 0 1 2 3 4 go to 70, and 5 6 7 8 and 9 go to 80. So
Okay. Advika, I would not include that here. It will be a bit confusing for others also. So it's okay. You can go by any method until and unless you are getting the right answer. Method is not important. Okay. Because see, Olympiads will only give you options A, B, C, D. So they will not check how you did it. So at least in this part, it's fine to go with your method also. No
Okay, ma'am.
worries. Okay.
Thank
Say Vedant, how are you? Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Say Vedant. So you
Ma'am,
have a doubt in this one?
ma'am, I just wanted to ask, do you remember me, ma'am? I
Of
used to
course,
attend in
from the
the
reasoning
reasoning class
sessions.
last
That's
year.
why I said welcome instead of asking you, where are you from? Okay,
Ma'am,
I
I
do
just wanted
remember.
to tell, like, ma'am, on Wednesday I didn't join, ma'am. So I think you
Yeah,
did some homework in the
there will be recordings. Yeah, we did
science
not have a
chapter. You
mandatory
gave some
homework.
reading material and the worksheets. Ma'am, I completed
Yeah,
both of them, ma'am.
very good, Vedant. Thank you so much.
And I watched the
And
recordings and completed both of them. And also the
good.
numbers, I was already used to it since the starting because
Okay, Vedant,
they
it's fine, it's
they
fine.
taught it in
We'll, we are going late. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, if there is 5,000 and 0, and in middle there is 500, so what we have to do?
1,000.
1,000.
Hmm.
And why?
Because rounding up whenever anything is in the middle. So you have 1,000 here, you have 0 here, and 500 is exactly in the middle of both the places. So we always round up. That's the rule. Okay? Devashri, let's go. Guys, other than this, please do this one.
What happens if there is no number, so it is not round up to 100?
No number means what? Like, give me an example. Like, they just tell you the number and they say round up 29, like that. And they don't tell you which number to round. See, this generally doesn't happen. But if it happens, then you have to round up to the nearest 10 by default. Okay? Fine. Thank you. Tejia.
Ma'am, suppose the number is 2 digits and it said to like round off by 1,000 or 100. How will we do it?
Exactly the same question which he was asking. So, 1,000 table starts with a 1,000 only, but the number we are asking you is less than that. So, multiply 1,000 with a 0. Now, you know that 0 and 1,000 in between 29 falls closer to 0, Gia. So, we'll bring it back to 0 then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Advika, go ahead last. Then we'll do these two questions quickly.
Ma'am, I have a question in the worksheet.
Advika, we'll do it tomorrow. I mean on Monday when we discuss the full worksheet together.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say Manvik. Say Manvik. One second. Try now.
No, I was not muted. Ma'am, I am saying I have already given the answer of those two questions which you are talking about.
Hmm. All right, we'll do this. Then we'll go for a break. So the nearest 532 to the 100 is, I'll do the same thing. 532 in the table of 100 falls between 500 and 400. No, 500 and 600. So obviously 32 is closer to 500 because it's only 32 steps away and this one is 68 steps away. So therefore we will choose what? We will choose 500. Whereas 572 falls between the same 500 and 600. But which one is closer? 600 is closer because 72, no? So just 28 steps here. And therefore we will go with this as the answer. Works well? All good? Okay, so time for break time question for everyone. 7 questions on the screen. You people can go for your break. Enjoy your break. But at the same time, if you come back early, then please do these questions as well. Those who have joined the session for the first time today, you're not supposed to leave the session. Just keep your camera off, okay? And you can take rest or do whatever you want to do. And if you don't want to do any other thing, then these are the 7 questions on your screen. Try them out. Send me the answers in the chat box. Okay, okay? Write the correct question number before it. All right? Say, Mishika.
Can we write the answer in the chat box by the time that
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, can I write the questions of the 7 questions in the chat box?
Yes, please. I would really request you that if you can send me all the 7 answers together in one message, that will be really great and easy for ma'am to read. But yes, if in case you want to go one by one also, I don't mind. It's a break time question, so it's fine. Okay? All right, everyone. See ya. Wait, we'll be back exactly. It's 8:43 here in India. So in 5 minutes, we'll be back. Okay? In 8:48. Hold on. What happened to my writing pad? 8:44 now. So 5 minutes from now is 8:49 p.m. IST. Take your time. Check your times. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, let's get started. I've got so many answers. Thank you so much, everyone. Those who did not go for a break and answered, very nice. Why are you people raising hands? Say, Parth. Don't say you want to answer.
Ma'am, I was saying that I have sent answer. Have you checked it?
Not checked it. I have seen it. We will check it when I write all the answers on the screen. Okay? So you will have to check it yourself just like you check your homework. Okay,
Okay,
Parth?
ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhumik, say, then we'll start answering the questions one by one. Say, Bhumik.
Did you see my answer?
I have received everyone's answer. Please don't ask like this one by
I've
one.
written whole.
Good. Sanya, say.
Ma'am, can you tell the students who answered like first to
Oh no, that will not be possible because some people answered it together, some people answered it one by one. So this question, it would not be possible, Sanya. Sorry. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, can you give 5 minutes? I just came from break and I want to do the questions.
You start with the first one. I can't wait for 5 minutes, Jia, but it's okay. You start doing the questions. We will start discussing it side by side.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhumik, not again. What happened?
I've written in 5 minutes only.
Don't say that again and again, Bhumik. Please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, some people have not got a chance at all, so I'm going forward to them and talking to them first. Jia, you can unraise your hand. And we'll first start this. I'll go at the bottom most. Ibrahim Arnav Manvik has got a chance. Samriddhi Singh has not got a chance. Yes, Samriddhi, we'll start with the first question with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Nanika also next.
Ma'am, so it is 78,425. And then I have to round it off to the nearest 100. So 78 will be the same, while I only have to round off 425. And ma'am, 425 will go to 400. Ma'am, since it's
Very good.
below 50. Ma'am, I did that.
Thank you. That's the right answer. So the right answer for the first question is on your screen, everyone. 78400. If anyone has a doubt, please ask. Okay. So let's go to, thank you, Samriddhi. That's the right answer. Riyansh has also not answered a question. Say, Riyansh.
Ma'am, second question answer?
You don't have a doubt in the first one?
No, ma'am.
Can you just wait for 1 second? Then I'll quickly ask if Aditi has a doubt in it. Aditi, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am. I want to answer the question.
Okay. Then I'll come back to you. Mishika, I think, also wants to answer the question because she has not got a chance. Same for Shanaya. Right, Shanaya? Or you have a doubt? Okay. Fine. Tanisha, Arnav. Yeah, I'll come back to you people. So let's start with Riyansh. Riyansh, come to the second question.
Ma'am, the answer is 8,000.
Yes, 8,000 only. Right? Tell the full number.
778,000.
Yes, 78,000 because 1,000 stable has 8,000 and 9,000 in the range, and 425 is close to 8,000. Thank you so much. I'll go up to Aditi. Aditi, third one.
Around 78,425 to the nearest 10,000. So the answer is 80,000.
Yes, the range is 70,000 and 80,000, and 78,000 is obviously closer to 80,000. So everyone, please check your answers from here on the screen. Mishika, say, next is yours, number 4. Thanks, Aditi. Say, Mishika. 50,000. Because the same case, this lies, 45,000 lies between 40,000 and 50,000. And of course, it is more than 45,000, so it goes to 50,000. Thank you so much, Mishika. Shania, next to you.
60,000.
60,000, because the same case, 62,000 falls between 60,000 and 70,000, everyone, and 62 is closer to 60. That's right. Thank you, Shania. Samriddhi, I remember asking you a question. Say, Samriddhi, you have a doubt or you want to answer? If you want
Miss,
to
I
answer,
wanted to answer.
then I'll keep you on hold, okay? Because I do remember asking you some question. Fine, Samriddhi?
Okay.
Okay, same for Arnav. I remember, Arnav, I remember, what? No, you have not answered a single question.
No,
I
ma'am, I
remember
didn't
you have
answer.
not explained it, but you gave the first right answer. Okay, go for the sixth one.
Sixth rounding.
This one.
Yeah.
145,987.
100,000.
No, that's not right. Because it's closest 10,000, Arnab, not 100,000. No second chance. Now send me the answer in the chat box. Tanisha, we'll go to you.
Ma'am, the answer is 1,50,000.
That's right. Because see, 1 lakh is staying constant in its place. The change is going to happen in the 45,000 area. And we know that 45,000 lies between 40,000 and 50,000. And since 45,000 is more, so 1,50,000, also called as 150,000. Done. Thank you so much, Reyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the last one's answer.
Ma'am, 1,70,000.
Sorry, Reyanshi, 1 minute. Someone is saying ma'am here. Who is that? Riyansh, you? I called Riyanshi. She's there at the top. Say Riyanshi. Continue.
Ma'am, I have doubts.
1 second, Riyansh. You have to wait for someone to complete, then we'll take it. Say
Ma'am,
Riyansh.
1,70,000.
70,000 is correct because it falls here between 70 and 80,000. So 1,70,000 is correct. Thank you, Riyanshi. Now, Riyansh, ask your doubt and then I'll go to Manvik and Jia.
Ma'am, in fourth question.
In fourth question, what is your answer, Riyansh?
Ma'am, my answer is 30,000. No, ma'am. My answer is yes, 30,000.
How can it be 30,000? It can never be less than 40,000 bracket because it is nearest 10,000. If you have something less, then you only stick to 40,000. But 45,000 is more than half, Riyansh. And more than half means round up. So what is the range? 40,000, 50,000. So we will go to the upper side, Riyansh, 50,000. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Jia, say.
I just wanted to answer the question.
Don't worry, Jia. You have answered quite a lot of questions. We'll give everyone a chance. Okay. Hanish, are you there? Hanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanish, a question for you. 2,172 to the nearest 100. What's the answer? Others in the chat box.
2,200.
Wow, that was fast. Very nice. Thank you so much.
But I didn't even get
2,200.
to put my cursor and write a number. The chat box.
He answered before that only. Good. Thank you. Vedant asked, then I'll go to Riyansh back.
Ma'am, when you were explaining somebody like Riyansh or somebody, that 40,000, when it is less, you go to 40,000. 45,000,
Mm,
you told it is above house half, then you have to go to 15,000, round it up, right?
50,000.
How is 45,000 even half, more than half? 45,000 is exactly half, ma'am.
Okay, by that I'd never meant
Ma'am,
that. I'm
another
so
point.
sorry. I
It's a
meant
half.
5,000 part, not 45. I said 45. I meant 5,000. So 5,000 is more than, 45,000 is more than the half value. And that means 40,000 is here, 50,000 is here. So what I meant is right in the middle is 45,000. So what I
But that
meant
is
was,
half,
since
not
since
the.
this number is more than half means more than the middle number.
Oh, that's what
That's
you're
why.
explaining, ma'am. I thought exactly 45,000 you told.
No,
What
no.
I asked.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Riyansh, say.
ma'am,
Got it? No,
if it
Vedant?
would have exactly 45,000, then all
Manvik,
happen.
Vedant, not this one. Okay, fine. You continue. Next time, raise your hand and then do it. Say.
Ma'am, if it would
Hmm.
have been completely 45,000, then also we had to write it.
Then we have to keep it to 50,000, round up. Okay? All right, everyone. Welcome to the first chocolate question of the day. We will not have ranks for everyone. We will only have ranks for the first 5 people. Ibrahim, in the chat box only. Type the answer in the chat box only. The one who gives the first right answer gets a chance to speak. Okay, this one. Okay, I've started getting the right answer. Reanshi first, Mishika second. 3 more ranks only. Solve it faster. Oh, I've got more people. 1 second. So Reanshi first, Mishika second, Devashri third, Shravani. No, Shravani, that's not in the options. Fourth is Samriddhi Srivastav, very good. And fifth is Shivani Satish. Very nice. Manvik sixth. Aradhya seventh, Arnav eighth, Janvi ninth, Ibrahim wrong answer, Riyansh 10th, Sanya 11th, Parth Padwal 12th, Advika 13th, Hanish 14th, Shrihan 15th, Shanaya is wrong here. Vedant is 16th, Sanika is 17th, Parth Sharma is 18th, but no more ranks after it. Okay? Aditi, you are right, but no more ranks after it. Okay, we'll do it one by one. So let us go fast. First one to answer is Reanshi. Reanshi, not the full question, but just 2 parts. Okay? Tell me, Reanshi, what's the place value of 4 here?
Ma'am, the place value of 4 here is 4,000.
Thank you. And the second part is place value of 5 here.
50.
And what are they asking us to do?
They're just asking us to add it, and then we have the
And
answer.
then you leave it. I'll go to Anvita. Anvita, what's the next step? Aditi, please wait.
Next step ఏంటి?
Ma'am, the next step is to divide that answer.
Divided by what? Face value of 5 is?
The face value of 5 is as it is 5, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the division value, Anvita?
Divide అంటే
Ma'am, could you please?
You have not done it yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, continue doing it. Send me the answer in the chat box. Aditi, say what happened. Doubt?
No, ma'am, I had no doubt, but actually I had some internet problem. That's why I was taking a long time to
No
answer.
problem. No. Don't take the ranks seriously, guys. This is just to add fun to the class. Don't take it seriously that, oh my God, I couldn't answer it. Or no. Nothing like that. It's just a part of the class. Don't take it seriously. Vedant, say. Thank you, Aditi.
Ma'am, I just wanted to answer.
Just tell me what is 4050 divided by 5.
810.
Ah, very nice. That is the answer only. Okay, Manvik. If I would have changed this part of the question to place value, then what would have happened?
Ma'am,
Then,
ma'am, it would have changed to 5. 1000 and the
Exactly.
answer which would have came, it would have been not definite because
No, it would be definite. You'll have to divide it by 1000 because this is 5000. So then what would happen? One of the options here, one of the options here. Check
ma'am, I
carefully.
think 0.81. It is the
Yes.
only possible one.
Shania gave that answer only. Yes, Manvik. Thank you so much. Right? Shania
And
did
I
not
have
read the
another
placement.
thing.
Okay. Say, Manvik. 1 second, Shania.
Ma'am,
Say.
lucky this is an online class. If this was a school competition, I really would have got it serious.
Say, Shania.
Ma'am, I was saying I accidentally read place value, not face value. That's why I did
I
confuse.
understood. That's why I changed the question in front here so that you can realize. Okay, fine, everyone. Good job. Oops. What did I do? Okay, very good. Good job in this question. Okay, now fine. We will do one more question, and this one is going to be very, very long. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's go. This is a long question. It has 3-4 steps in it. In fact, 5 steps in it. And I want all of you to do it. This will be the last question for today. And after which you can do the entire set 1 as your homework. So please do it seriously. And yes, next class, the people who do the homework and come will be playing with me in the class. We will have a nice quiz. Okay, we will have a blue kit. So make sure that you people complete your homework and come so that we all can play together. Do it nicely. Seriously. Oh, we have 10 minutes. And I'm not giving ranks for these questions, okay? Though I have got some right answers from Reyanshi and Mishika. Manvik, check again. Hanish, very close. Check again. Aditi, check again. Very close. Whenever the number is in the middle, we round up. That's the trick for you people. Samriddhi, you also. Shivastav. Hanish, correct now. Not Vedant, that's very, very far from the right answer. No Paradhya, check again.
Ma'am, I have a
Nanika.
doubt. Where we have to round off to? Oh, at which part?
That's the crux of the question. I can't tell you now. I'll tell you just in 30 seconds. Shrihan, that's correct. Nanika, you have not answered a single question. I'll come to you this time. And Nanika, your answer is not correct. So please check it again. Aditi, that's correct now. Samriddhi Srivastav, correct. Vedant, not correct. Jia, not correct. Aditi, correct. Sanika, not correct. Sanya, not correct. Ibrahim, not correct. Shanaya, not correct. Devashri, not correct. Okay, and now I'm not checking your answers. No,
Excuse me,
Aradhya.
ma'am. Ma'am, what do we do if we have to round to 0?
0. But I don't think that will be a condition here. Anyways, let's do it quickly now. We will start with Nanika. Nanika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is Tanmay saving, Nanika?
Yes, ma'am. Like it's like Tanmay saving is 4,250.
And they are asking us to round it up to 1000.
Yeah.
So to the closest 1000, what lies? 4000 or 5000?
Well, to the closest 1,000, it's since there's 2, it's 4,000.
Correct. Jia, what happened? Thank you, Nanika.
I want to answer.
Tell me, Gopal's. What is the savings of Gopal's?
It's 4050.
4050,
But
that is
if you
200 less.
round off,
Round up to the nearest 100.
yeah,
So 100, what will be the answer to the nearest 100?
it will be 4100.
Thank you so much, Jia. Next, we will go to Sanika. Sanika,
I could find an answer because of that.
Manvik, you are talking without raising the hand for the sixth time in the day. And the next time I see you doing this, you have not seen my strict version. I don't want to show you also. Better you follow the rules of the class.
Ma'am, was it?
Jia, what happened?
Excuse me, ma'am. Was it correct? Because my internet got shared.
Yeah, I said it's right, Jia. See, I wrote it also on the screen.
Okay, ma'am,
Welcome.
thank you.
Okay, Sanika, next. Tell me about Radhika, please. What is the savings of Radhika?
Ma'am, her savings will be multiplied with Tanna's saving by 3, which is 12750.
15, carry 1, 7, 1, 2, and a 0 and a 0. And they are asking us to round it up to the nearest 10,000. So what's the value of Radhika now? 10,000.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh no, I mean, sorry, I just repeated the question. So it is between 10,000 and 20,000. So which is the closest number to 12,750?
Ma'am, 10,000.
10,000. Okay, done. So now the final answer is addition of all of this. Manvik, add all three of them. What's the answer? Say.
I am writing in the chat.
Fine then. Bhumik, say. Add up all the numbers. Bhumik,
Yes, ma'am.
add up all the three
One-
numbers. What's the final answer?
18100.
Which option should I go for?
D.
Thank you, Bhumik.
Not B. Dinosaur D.
Okay. Okay, I heard it correct. Say Naman.
Ma'am, I just wanted to answer the question.
No problem. You typed it in the chat box. No, it was right. Okay, people now hear me very, very clearly and carefully. Thank you, Naman. Listen to me carefully, everyone. This is going to be your homework. So since we have completed the part 1 fully, completely, you have to go to Olympiad Success, go to live classes. Under live classes, you have to select the subject as Mathematics Olympiad and then select the topic as Number Sense. Okay? This is the reading material and this is your homework. Your homework is only set 1. If you have time, you can do set 2 also. But I will prefer only set 1. In the next class, 2 minutes, Arnav. In the next class, we will have 5 to 10 minutes discussion on the answers of the questions. So in case you have a doubt, like for example, you did the homework, you opened the answer key, you understood the doubts, but still you couldn't understand 1 or 2. Let's say you did not understand 5 and 7. Write it in your notebook so that next class, in the beginning, remember in the beginning, if you are late in the class, then ma'am will extend you and she'll say that, okay, I'll take it out later, alligator. So the better is that you come to the class on time and then get your doubts resolved in the beginning only before we start the new chapter. Okay. So get your doubts cleared in the class and then we can continue. Say Arnav.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
when I go to select subject, there is no subject appears.
Yeah. Please click on this line, Arnav. When you click on book my batch, they will ask you to put your email ID again. So you have to just put the same email ID again over here. and click on submit. Then you will get some options of the classes. Select ma'am's class. It will be batch 1 of grade 5 Olympiad. Once you select it and then log in again, then you will be able to see the drop down. Okay, try that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's this? Don't worry, I'll come to you. Aryan, she say.
Ma'am, I have done the question, the exercise one. So can I do the second one?
It totally depends on you. It is related to international system and Roman numerals, Reanshi. So if you're comfortable trying it, you can try your hands on it. No problem in that. But it's not mandatory because we have not done it in the class. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manashvi.
Actually, I did not answer.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Then we have a quick question for you. 129 to the nearest 1000. This is a tricky question. Say. You
Ma'am,
think
it's 1,000.
not really. 1000 stable starts with 1000. So 129 will fall between 0 and 1000, Manashri. Right or wrong?
Ma'am, it's
Yeah, and it is closer to 0. So what will be the answer then?
I didn't understand.
See, when the number given to you is smaller than the nearest value, then the answer always goes to 0 if it is not close enough to that bigger number. Okay. Had this been 729, then the answer would have been 1000. Understood? Anything more than 500.
Ma'am, ma'am, I thought that if it's more than 500 or it's 500, it would be near
I understood.
the other,
But now you understood or not? Tell me.
not really.
Clear, no? Not really? Try another example. 512 to the nearest 1000. Coming to you, Manvik. 1 second.
Ma'am, it's
Say, Manashvi. Whether the answer will be 1000 or 0.
I think it's 1,000.
Yes, correct. Because it's more than 500. So it's 1000. Got it now?
Yes.
Thank you, Manashvi. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, for what I wanted to say.
Okay, when you remember, tell me again. Aradhya, say. Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say.
Ma'am, when I opened Olympiad success, then I put live classes. There was no topic in the drop down for subjects. So, ma'am, when I put the topic, it showed number theory, and when I showed it, it had a lot of letters in math that we did not learn.
Number theory, not number sense.
No, ma'am. When I checked for number sense, it wasn't there. It was only number theory.
Can you check which grade are you assigned, Aradhya? Probably the grade is different by some reason. Can you just check it with Olympiad Success and send them the screenshot, Aradhya? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do this. If they don't respond till Monday, then I will check it on your screen. Okay? You can share screen and show me. Next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Vedant,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you told the homework was practice question
Set 1.
700.
Only,
Ma'am, I
only
have
set 1.
already done it yesterday
Okay,
or something.
then relax, sir. Enjoy your weekend. You have other chapters to do also. Say, Shivani. Thank you, Vedant.
Yeah, you can leave, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, Shivani. Sure, sure. If you don't have a doubt, then just tell me how was the class and then
And
go.
the class was great.
Thank
class
you.
was great.
Very
Class was great.
Ma'am, it was
The class
amazing.
was
So sweet of you.
And the
See
class
you on
was
Monday.
amazing.
Do the homework and come. We will have a nice
Okay, ma'am.
math quiz at the end.
Okay,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Ma'am,
Thank
class
you.
was great.
Also, happy class.
Thank
Happy
you.
class, so it's not a holiday for me tomorrow.
Okay,
The class
Monday.
was amazing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is
Yes.
Kashmir's mother.
Yeah.
I
Go ahead,
don't
ma'am.
think she has been able to, understand this rounding off for
Rounding of numbers.
the special cases. I think the one.
Okay, that zero case probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can discuss it again. That's not a problem.
Okay.
So, you want me to do it right now, or you want me to do it in
Yeah,
the
you
next?
can quickly
We can
give it.
do it again now.
2 minutes
Yeah,
time.
again, sure. So the previous example. Sorry, Kashmir. 1 second. You were saying something? Bhumek. Okay, no, not Kashmir. Shivani, you were saying something. You was asking to leave, right?
No, ma'am. Actually, I didn't get a chance to answer.
Oh, so sorry, Shivani. Next class we'll start with you then. Done. By the way, I'll ask you a question. If you're not getting late for any other thing, just sit back for one more question. I'll make one for you. Advika, what happened for you?
Ma'am, I just wanted to say that the class was great and amazing with you all.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you, Advika.
Bye,
See
ma'am.
you on Monday. Bye bye. Okay, so Shivani and Kashmir, both of you, let's do this question together. So, Kashmir, tell me firstly, when we are rounding up anything to the nearest 1000, where are we going? What is the range? Upper range and bottom range? I can't see you, Kashmir. Turn on your video, please. Yeah, go ahead. Aditi, 1 second. Type it in the chat box if you know the answer. Let Kashmir try it. Say, Kashmir, what's the range? 222 falls between which two number in the table of 1000? See, first you will decide that the number ma'am is asking you is more than 1000 or less than 1000.
Less than 1000.
Exactly. So therefore, the lower limit always has to be 0, Kashmir. Remember this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Since this number is less than 1000, so my upper limit will always be 1000. Now the decision you have to take is that 222 is closer to 0 or closer to 1000. You tell me. Then we'll confirm the answer with Shivani. Say, Kashmir.
Ma'am, it's closer to 0.
Very good. Shivani, what do you say? Is it
Yeah.
closer to 0?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
match with her? Okay, perfect. That means, Kashmir, in these cases, the answer will be 0. Okay? Okay, fine. So that's one case. The other case is when the number is more than half. Let's say that nearest thousands, half is 500, everyone. So this question Shivani will answer. 571 to the nearest 1000. So Shivani, help.
Ma'am, it's 1000 only.
Okay. Why did you go up and why did you not come down?
Ma'am, because the number is more than 500.
Closer enough to 1000. Thank you, Shivani. That's absolutely right. Kashmir, now one more question for you, okay? This one says, let's go with 496 to the nearest 1000. Now you decide.
Ma'am, near to 0.
Wow, very good. You got it right. So you went down because it is closer to 0 than to 1000, correct?
Yes.
Now a normal simple question, and Aditi will confirm the answer. First Kashmir will say, then Aditi will check the answer. Aditi ready to be the teacher, okay? Teacher should not give the wrong answer. 1749 to the nearest 100. I'm changing this Kashmir, just want to make it a bit complex. Nearest 100. Check the number of zeros decide the number of digits you have to keep in mind.
Ma'am, it's close to 0.
Mhm. Check the range, Kashmir. The range, where will it see? Nearest 100 means in the table of 100.
Ma'am.
Bhumek, no answering like that straight. Type it in the chat box. Say Kashmir. So Kashmir, 749 falls between which two numbers in the table of 100?
Ma'am, 700 and 800.
Absolutely. So you have your upper range as 1800 and your lower range as 1700. Now you choose which way to go.
Ma'am, the
Which is the
downward
closer?
level.
Mm-hmm.
1700.
Okay, let Aditi check it. Aditi, is it correct? 1700?
Ma'am, the answer is 1700. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Kashmir, clear on this? So whenever they ask you this part, see, you need more practice. Of course, we will do it with more practice. We will again continue it in the next class also, no problem. But yeah, always keep in mind that when someone says nearest 100, nearest 1000, look for the number in the table of that number. Like 100, so in the table of 100, 1000, so in the table of 1000. In the table of 1000, what would have been the case, Kashmir? It would have been 1000 and 2000.
Yes, ma'am.
And it would have been closer to which number? 2000 or 1000?
1000.
Check it again.
No, wait. 1 second. Oh, no, ma'am. Sorry, 2000.
Yes, that's right. Okay, then clear. Say Kashmir, saying something.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, ma'am, again, yeah, so actually, she has done this rounding of, the technique is different, what we taught her in class 4th.
Yeah.
To look up this, she will look at the hundreds
50.
place
Yeah. The
digit,
digit, right? The
and then
4 here. Yeah,
yes,
she can continue doing that, ma'am. I mean, that is not
okay,
like a problem. See, that's what I said in the middle of the class also. So if like there are 2-3 ways of doing rounding up of numbers, and in schools also they teach it differently. So if you
right,
feel
right,
that she's comfortable continuing with the digit value itself, then she can continue
okay,
doing that. In Olympiads, they will not test the way you do it.
right.
So it's completely fine in that case. It's not a problem. If she's understanding it that way better, it's completely fine. It
Okay.
would not be a concern. The answers would not change. What I mean is
Correct. And
that will be fine.
for these special cases, that
The
you were
0
discussing,
ones.
yeah, the 0 ones. So
Yeah.
I think there's only one technique. The
Yeah. So that is the
okay,
real reason. So this is like the
right.
parent way of doing it. So this
Okay. All
method
right.
will work in all the case.
All
And
I
then
got
you
it.
have the shortcuts that you look at the digit and decide the answer. So it goes like
Okay.
that.
Got it.
Okay. Don't worry, if she'll practice a bit more, she'll get it. And she already knows the digit method, so it will not be a problem. That rare methods come really less, but I am just making her
All
prepared so
right.
that she doesn't miss out.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Say Bhumik, then I'll go to Aditi.
Hey, ma'am.
Answer would be
Thank you, Kashmir.
1800.
Yes.
Because it is upper than 45.
No, 749 is 51 away from here and 49 away from here, Bhumik. So that's why it's 1700.
Oh,
Yes.
50, at 50 we will do one
Your voice is
equal to.
breaking, Bhumik. Your voice is breaking. It's okay, I
Ma'am,
heard it. You thought 1000, but it is 100. Okay? Fine.
my
Aditi, you
voice
wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Right.
the class was really great. And can I leave? I have no doubts.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying back. We'll meet on Monday then. Please
Bye,
do the
ma'am.
homework and come. Bye. Take care. Thank you,
Bye,
Shivani. Thank you,
ma'am.
Aditi. Thanks, Bhumik, Ibrahim. Bye. Take care.
bye ma'am.
Bye.